YouTube. It's fucking freezing. Let's do this. Well, that sounds good, doesn't it? Fuck's sake, I'm the only person about. Looks like I've robbed a shop. Anyway guys, how's everyone doing? We're going to be going and hitting a U-boat. We're going to hit up a Nazi German submarine. They're fucking random people there. Let's hope we don't see any of them tonight. Let's go. There's a lot of cameras here. Cameras everywhere. Bit bait. That's so sick. This is a decommissioned Nazi submarine. Split into 3 pieces, I think. That light's gone off. Bit random. Need to get in here. It's pretty rigged with cameras, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, he's actually alarmed as well. This is mad. You have to ignore my squeaky shoes, guys. Look at that, it's a torpedo. It's crazy. I think I've been watched on camera. Well, that's a bit pointless. That's mad. It's bright then. That's sick. It's so cool. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of these ships. They are fucking huge. And I bet this wasn't even a big submarine either. This U-boat is dangerous. Only 8% of German U-boats were type IXC. They managed to accomplish 37% of all sinkings during World War II. Mad. Look at this fat torpedo as well. Jeez. Mad. Right, so I think the time is to get the fuck out of here. And hope that this doesn't actually set off a fucking alarm. I'm going to record on Snapchat as well. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat, it is Kane Hog. So I'm going to wait for this car to go by. Please don't come in here. Alright, sweet. Oh no! Shit, I didn't think that would actually set the alarm off. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that was police. We're okay. Oh, that could be police. Nah, we're okay. I think. Oh, the alarm's still going off. So what's happening, guys? We've just hit up the U-boat, the German Nazi submarine. I don't know if you can hear that, but we set an alarm off. I need to stop doing this solo. It's pretty sketchy, but fuck it. It's about -2. I'm fucking freezing, and the police are probably en route. So we're gonna get back to the hotel. I'm gonna go to sleep. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, hit me up, leave a like, subscribe, hit me on all the DMs if you want to talk to me. I get back to as many people as possible. So I'll speak to you guys in a bit. See you in a bit.